friends, welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. Today I bring to you an amazing and mouth-watering recipe which is loved by all, especially kids. That is homemade chocolates. I will be showing you the basic homemade varieties of molded chocolates. Before we go ahead, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. The ingredients to prepare the homemade chocolates are white compound chocolate and dark compound chocolate of Moulds. You can use a chocolate of any brand you prefer. You can use the silicone mold or the plastic or acrylic mold as per your choice. Dry fruits for the chocolates. We shall take 2 portions of the dark chocolate compound and chop it into bits. We are going to use the double boiler method to melt the chocolates. With 1.5 cup of water, allow the water to come to a boil. We shall place the bowl with the chocolate in it. The vessel should not touch the boiling water below. Make sure that not even a drop of water comes into the chocolate, because chocolate has an enemy and that is water. The chocolate is now fully melted. Keep stirring for a little while till it comes to a room temperature. This is called tempering the chocolate. We shall pour the melted chocolate into the mold. You can also fill some dry fruit of your choice into these molds. Drop dry fruit of our choice. Cover it till the top. Tap the mold. Plain chocolates is ready. We shall put it into the fridge for 10 minutes to harden. We have now chopped 2 portions of the white compound into fine bits, and we will use the double boiler method to melt it. I will pour a little chocolate, white chocolate, just a little at the base. Rotate the tray and let it coat the edges to form a type of shell. We will put it into the fridge for 2 minutes. Now I shall pour in some dark melted chocolate into the shells. Tap the tray to even it out. Now we shall place our coated molded chocolates in the fridge for 10 minutes. Now we shall bake our molded layered chocolate. I am going to add a drop of gel color to the melted chocolate. You should only use gel colors because they do not contain water and mix well with the chocolate. Pour a little in the base. Now I shall give it a tap and place it in the fridge for 2 minutes. 2 drops of green gel color to make the second layer. Keep it in the fridge for 2 minutes. Now I shall put a third layer of dark chocolate. Now we shall make our filled molded chocolate. I will be using peanut butter as a filling. We'll be dropping small bits of peanut butter into the chocolate. Some melted chocolate over it. I shall be showing you how to wrap the chocolate to present them to family and friends. These silver foils are available in the market. You place facing down. So friends, our amazing homemade chocolates are ready to be eaten. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet again with my next recipe. Till then, bye bye.